The US dollar has slumped to its lowest level in the last 2 months. Investors doubt that the US Central Bank will remain stuck to its hawkish stance and raise the key rate twice by the end of the year. Today's inflation figures may fuel this sentiment and exert pressure on the greenback. How the future will unfold? In our video review on the InstaForex TV channel, we will focus on the events that will take place in the next 2 days of the trading week. First of all, news from China may question the global economic recovery. The trade balance data is likely to unveil a rise in surplus. However, the situation is not as rosy as it may seem at first sight. The surplus growth could be explained by the fact that exports are exceeding imports. Notably, both indicators are expected to be in the red, as domestic and foreign demand remains sluggish, and this in turn may boost concerns about the global recession. In the event of this, only safe assets will be attractive to investors. The Australian dollar is likely to suffer more than other currencies, and the fact is that it's the main indicator of a risk sentiment in the Asia-Pacific region and the currency of China's main trade partner. Data on the UK GDP may once again confirm that the overall trend in the global economy is extremely negative. Notably, some Eurozone countries, including Germany, have already reported recession, and the British economy is also on the verge of a slump. According to the forecast in May, the economy contracted on a monthly basis. Meanwhile, industrial production is likely to go falling amid high interest rates and a weak consumption. It means that the pound sterling may fall. However, at the moment, traders are focused on a more interesting event, namely the greenback's depreciation. Last year, at the beginning of the monetary policy tightening, the US dollar was rapidly gaining in value. Nowadays, the currency nosedives amid every fact that questions a further key rate hike. Investors were actively selling off the US dollar amid the inflation report, which unveiled faster than expected slackening. On Thursday, traders will be looking for new hints about changes in the consumer inflation in the Producer Price Index report. Judging by the forecast, the reading is likely to move towards the target of 2% per annum. At least the producer price growth may slow down to 0.4%, and data on the US consumer sentiment will close this trading week, and the fact is that more than 2/3 of the US GDP is made up of consumer spending. Meanwhile, spending climbs only amid positive sentiment. That's why the index calculated by the University of Michigan is very important for making an outlook for the US economy. The expectations are finally positive. This may allow the greenback to recoup some of its losses at the end of the week. How will going to be in the short term in financial markets? We will definitely tell you in our news releases. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.